Napakaganda po ng rainbow dito sa amin.
Two rainbows!
Wow! Double rainbow. Alam niyo ba po na ito po ay covenant ng Lord? Sabi ng Bible, ito po ang sign na hindi na po ulit mag-flood ang world. So ito po yung covenant ni Lord, sign of God's covenant na hindi na po mauulit ang baha. Napakaganda po ng
Daddy, he promised
rainbow. Napakalaki. What?
He promised to not to make another baha, right?
Yeah.
That's why he made two rainbows. He so very promised. God showed us. Thank you, Jesus, for not taking another fold.